7 divided by 7 equals 1, and then, 2 divided by 2 equals 1, finally, 1 divided by 1 equals 1. But this answer is not correct. Because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics, called the order of operations. The order of operations is commonly known by the acronym, PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in every mathematical expression, we first solve the parentheses, then the exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally, addition and subtraction. Keep in mind that multiplication and division have equal priority. Therefore, in any expression that contains both multiplication and division, we move from left to right and perform whichever operation appears first. Then we perform the remaining operation. This same rule also applies to addition and subtraction. With that explained, let's solve the problem from the beginning of the video. But before we do, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. 7 divided by 7, divided by 2, divided by 2. In this expression there is more than one division. Since divisions have equal priority, we move from left to right and perform the divisions in order, first this division, then this division, and finally this division. 7 divided by 7 equals 1, and the expression becomes 1 divided by 2, divided by 2. Next, 1 divided by 2 equals 1 over 2. Finally, we need to calculate 1 over 2 divided by 2. To solve this division, we use the KCF rule. This rule is a simple method for dividing fractions. In this rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. According to this rule, we keep the first fraction as it is, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Now, according to KCF rule, we keep 1 over 2 as it is, change division to multiplication, and flip 2, which becomes 1 over 2. 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 equals 1 over 4. Therefore, the correct answer to this expression is 1 over 4. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.